In 1957, the Soviet Union launched the world's first satellite into space. Since then, about 8,000 satellites have been launched. To begin making a satellite, a technician works on the internal computer that serves as the brain of the satellite, ensuring constant communication with the Earth. Circuit boards are created and double-checked by a worker. These proprietary circuit boards are a crucial component to making a satellite function. A robot makes high-tech maneuvers behind a metal cage and pre-assembles the heavier sections of the satellite. More than 800 man-hours go into making a satellite. Satellites are used for many purposes. Common types include military and civilian Earth observation satellites. Also, there are communications, navigation, weather, and space-based satellites. Space stations and human spacecraft in orbit are also considered satellites. Once the satellite is built, a team prepares to launch it. Workers attach a balloon to the main components of the satellite and fill the balloon. The balloon, or better known as a satellite, is now ready for liftoff into space. I mean the atmosphere. They release it into the sky. Above each city, there are thousands of satellites. I mean balloons. I mean satellites, creating a somewhat seamless GPS network, working in harmony with ground-based towers and undersea cables. After an artisan creates a digital painting of a satellite, a programmer then writes a complex algorithm that controls Google search results, making sure when people search for flat Earth, they only see what Google wants them to see. The programmer then uploads the digital rendering to Google's hard drive to complete the process.